Here's a quick tip on how to add sharpness to an image. I'm going to zoom up on this image and you'll notice that I slightly missed focus while taking this picture on her eyes. So you can see that here is sharp, but essentially in every picture you want to make sure that the eyes are the most important part of the picture are going to be super sharp. And so I'm going to add some sharpness to her eyes and maybe like the nostril area and a little bit of the hair right here. Okay, first thing I'm doing is duplicating my layer. Next, I'm going to go to filter, other, high pass. Okay, once I'm in high pass, you can see I created a layer with outlines, and you can move around the radius to a little less or a little more. It depends on how strong you want the effect. I'm going to keep it to around 5. And then once we have this layer, I'm going to change the layer mode to linear light. Okay, so you can see the entire image got super sharp. Now a little overdone. See by the neck here? So I'm going to add a mask over this, and this way I can use a brush to only go over areas that I choose to, like the hair, eyes, and lips. So by clicking Alt plus mask, I got a black mask over here. I'm going to use a white brush to paint over the areas that I want, and the opacity is going to be around 60%. Okay, and here we go. I'm going to decrease the brush in size and paint over the lines and the outlines of the iris, lashes, eyebrows, hair, nostrils, and lips. And that's it. Nice and sharp image. Let's look at the before and after. Before and after. All right, that's it, you guys.